Got the new replacement foam gun in, and it works a hell of a lot better. And that's on 3 out of 5. 5 is way too sudsy. 3 is twice as sudsy as the old one was, and look, no splatter, sprays out. Now we'll figure out what the heck the differences are between the first one and this one. And I already found the manufacturing defect. So if you look through here, you can see it's just a tiny, tiny little hole through the center, right? Tiny little opening. Whereas the defective one, huge. So either the plastic was flash strong or there's a missing part in there. But the diameter of this one just lets the water pour through, and it doesn't give any kind of foaming action. It's not sucking up the right ratio from the jar. This one's fine. There you go.